Hey guys, it's JQ Crafty. I am giving you what's left of my How to Kill a Kit with Style for May. There's actually quite a bit left. I didn't get as much scrapping done in May as I had hoped. Hence why I didn't get to do the everyday May I scrap with you. I did save all the ones I want to do for the days I missed though, so stay tuned. I hopefully will be sharing some of those in June. But I just wanted to show you what was left. I did make a pretty good dent in it. It was actually a relatively big kit, but there's still quite a bit left. So I used, see, some of these, the backing came off as I pulled them off, so what worked out fine because then I didn't have to stick them down right away. So I got, what would you say, a third of these used? Yeah, maybe. Not quite half. Yeah, about a third. A third of the chipboard flare used. I used a quarter maybe of, there were a lot of little things too. So I used some of the cardstock stickers. I actually did not use the stab set one. No, I did use the word sunshine. I put it back in the backwards. I used the word sunshine once. That's all I used. I didn't get, like I said, I didn't get a chance to play with it very much, and I didn't even get to see what Chamel made with hers. That was all discombobulated this month. More scrapping time needed. For the chipboard from Vicki Boutons, I used actually, I thought, a decent amount for what I made, but there is quite a good bit left and some good items too. So I have this left. You should have just seen my probably last video using this. I just cut out some dinosaurs. So I would like to use half of this. So I would like to use this on a layout coming up soon. I hardly used any of the enamel dots. I actually used more of the sticker book than I thought I was going to. So I used all the flowers and mandalas on that one. I used some labels. I used a couple of those. I used all the arrows. What else did I didn't touch the alphas. I didn't use any on that sheet. I used a bunch on that sheet, and I didn't use any on that sheet. But I didn't do a lot of girly layouts. I barely used this alpha. I used it once. So, and then I do have, I have some strips of paper. I have branding strips left as well. I have some random pieces that probably can just go in the trash. This is inked up from that layout I just did. I should probably do like a paper strips layout because that's what I got left, right? So I've got these chunks, all the branding strips of these ones, and some bigger pieces. I really liked this paper. I wanted to use more of it. This chunk. And then I didn't even touch this one. I think because I really debated, do I want to use this side? Do I want to use this side? But I have enough embellishments that I don't know if I need to use it. So yeah, I got to figure that out. So I didn't touch this paper and I didn't touch the wood grain, which is so strange. I had ideas for using this. So I'm going to keep this stuff out because, and then I did use the ink a decent amount. I'm going to keep this stuff out because, and kind of add it to June's kit. I really liked this paper too. I might just keep that strip to tuck somewhere. I don't know. So June's kit is from Citrus Twist. Now, they don't put out regular kits that you subscribe to anymore, but they put out kits and then you grab them if you can. So another very paper heavy kit, and a lot of the new stuff, so that's the main reason I'm going to do it, just so I can play with some of the new stuff. But a lot of the same collection, so that's why I'm just going to kind of bring that stuff in. There's no color study, but there's more of the muted stuff. So it's more of the calmer side of all the new stuff, because there's Heidi Swapp, Storyteller, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to add it all together. So it comes with the Heidi Swapp Storyteller Carefree Ephemera. A lot of good metallics, a lot of softer colors. It comes with the Keeping It Real puffy stickers. Super fun. The Some Days enamel dots. The Keeping It Real cardstock stickers. These, I believe, are from or for the Maggie Holmes collection. Yep, Garden Party. Very fun font. And so that's what there's a lot of papers of, is the Garden Party. So here is a Garden Party cut apart for this. So I figured with the papers I do have left, I could easily incorporate them into this because I have some of the softer things left. Another Garden Party. I did a share of this when I opened it, when I got it. This is another Garden Party. Another Garden Party. There's a lot of Garden Party in here. So it's usually not my like first go-to just because I have boy and so it's very floral girly. But I can do some family photos and stuff like that. I don't even know what I want to scrapbook this month. I do have some things that I need to get done, but I don't know if I'll be using this. So this is going to be my kit. And then some days, one paper with the numbers or the florals on the back. This is also a Garden Party. I really like this green. This is Carefree. It's got this crazy like collage on that side, but wood grain, of course. I believe this is a Carefree. Nope, this is another Garden Party. Here's a Carefree that was in the other kit. So that's why I was like, well, this should work. And then it came with cardstock, which is really kind of fun. So it comes with like a peachy cardstock, a yellow cardstock, and a white cardstock. So that is what we're going to play with for June. Light, airy, summery, springy, summery fun. Okay, so I'm just going to combine that all. So honestly, my embellishments are probably not going to go very well with it. At least these ones. These are a little crazy. I'm actually just going to shove this with my color study, like what I have of that color study. So I'm just not going to put this in there. First, I'll probably do a couple layouts, and then I'll probably stick this sticker book with my Wonders because it's not really going to go with it either. But I'll add these because these will work, even though there's other enamel dots that came with it. I'll add the alphas. They will work. And these two papers, they will work. That's a lot of paper. This paper should work too. Yeah. The stamp set should work. These also cardstock stickers should work. And the flare should work. So we're going to just add all that in as well. Yeah, and maybe I will make just a fun little layout with brightness in another album or something and do a strip album. I don't know, but I'll do something with these scraps and then these two things because those are bright. But yeah, we will add this all together. So just a little bit of May's kit is gonna get tossed in with June's kit. So not a ton left. I didn't do the greatest at killing it. But like I said, didn't have a lot of Scrappy Tam. So I'm just going to add it in. We're going to do this. I'm going to throw away this plastic because I don't like those. I'd rather have the bags. I'm going to toss this all together. This is a very big kit, so we will see how much I get done. I do have a week off the first week. I do have, yeah, this whole first week off, so we'll see how much scrapping time I get done. I mean, if it's nice out, though, we'll probably be outside, so that's the biggest bummer. But yeah, so I did that. I've signed up for a ton of classes. I am doing... I have to finish all my Stash Bash Palooza classes. That's a whole nother issue. But I need to finish my Lucky 7 Stash Bash from She's Crafty. I joined the collective class, so that starts next week. I signed up for Heidi Swap's Storyteller Volume 1 class. I'm so excited for that. So I have a bunch of her stuff. I ordered a few more things that's on its way, and I'm excited. So that starts also, I believe, the 8th of June. I got the LA Studio Sketch to Something class. Got that one, and I got a ton of fun things from their website as well. I didn't need to buy any more. I need to stop. And then I got the Studio Calico exclusive stamp set with their class as well. So I did a bunch of classes. I thought, let's use more of the stuff. And of course, I grabbed just a couple things that were on. I got a mystery ink, which I ended up getting a pink flamingo. And then I grabbed 2 of these washies because they were really pretty from previous kits. So Yeah, I didn't need to buy any more stuff, but I really wanted to kind of expand my horizons and do some classes, and I need to finish some of the other classes, and I want to get a head start on some other things. So June, I'm hoping we'll be busy. I'll have time. I'm going to crunch, do things. So I'm okay with some rainy weather. That's what that comes down to. Okay, so here is my giant June kit. We'll see what we can make damage on that. For how much I didn't scrapbook, actually, like, I did a pretty good job for my Kill a Kit. Okay, and I have a cart coming. I'm going to kind of reorganize some of my stuff so things look better. Yeah, I'm going to do something, since these are all bright and fun, I'll do a little layout or something with this. This would be fun. I have a piece of work card stuck in black. Maybe I'll do some mixed media and craziness. We'll see. I have to do May I Scrap Lift Yous. I got to finish those, so maybe one of those will suit my fancy. All right, so now I'm going to do a layout share really quick. Since you saw all of that. I don't even remember how many layouts I got done. I don't think I filled this thing out appropriately. According to this, I only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This feels like way more than 18. So maybe I got more done than I thought. So this was just Product Focus Friday last Friday. This turned out actually quite cute. This you should have just seen today. Confessions of a Paper Addict cut file design team layout. Awesome new releases. Last month release for cut files. I used the cut file as a stencil. This was part of the How to Kill a Kit with Style layout. This was also a How to Kill a Kit with Style layout. And it was a May I Scrap Lift You. Super simple, white, clean. Probably the most recent photo I have of anything printed, because I didn't print it. School did. So, yeah. Christmas in May, and May I Scrap Lift You. Obviously not a How to Kill a Kit. This was Tuesdays in the Attic. I had lots of fun playing with Brave and Bold. And I made a 2-page spread, and then, and then this is my little thing. And then I made pocket cards that go in between of all the other butterflies we saw that we liked. This was a fun one. This was a Product Focus Friday, old little yellow bicycle, and some random things from my stash. Excuse me. May I Scrap Lift You? Use some Paige Evans. I'm almost done with, I need to just get rid of that. This was just released yesterday. It is my own challenge group that I just started. So May was our first month. We did a trial run in April with just the people who are the moderators and the layer givers. And then we let everybody join us in May. June, tomorrow, right around the corner. Make sure you join. It is very fun and different if you do it one way, and otherwise it's just kind of a fun recipe challenge if you do it another way. And you'll have to check it out and see why. You can check out my video and everybody else who did a hop yesterday regarding it. Yeah, lots of fun. Craft IQ, look for it, and I'll have the link for the group down below. So that was not my kit either. This is also not my kit. I went fall on myself here. This was a May I Scrap Lift You. I did some more fall. May I Scrap Lift You. It was cool weather. This was the How to Kill a Kit, and May I Scrap Lift You, right? No, this was a Tuesdays in the Attic. But no, it wasn't. Yes, Tuesdays in the Attic, and I used the kit. Yeah, crazy layout. This was a May I Scrap Lift You. I still got a journal on here. This was... I did this for Confessions of a Paper Addict, but it was also inspired by Lucky 7, so that was really fun. I really liked that layout. Oh, the tags fell out. This was a May I Scrap Lift You. Which one? There we go. Really like this one. It's going in my Nana album. Another fall one. I got out a lot of fall, but we had some weird weather. May I Scrap Lift You? This was part of the How to Kill a Kit, and it was Tuesdays in the Attic. I did a lot of How to Kill a Kit with the Tuesdays in the Attic. This was Confessions of a Paper Addict during International Scrapbooking Day A lot of fun. Very dimensional page. That's really tall. May I scrap lift you using my How to Kill a Kit with Style. See, there's where a bunch of the chipboard went. How to Kill a Kit with Style with May I Scrap Lift You again. This is bubbling. I need to tack it down better. There we go. This was Product Focus Friday and May I Scrap Lift You. I really like the way this one turned out. May I Scrap Lift You and How to Kill a Kit with Style. I did not put a lot of glue on here. Oh, there's some foam under. That's right. And used up some random embellishments that I've had in my stash forever that I didn't know what I would use. Well, first flight, that works. How to Kill a Kit with Style. This is where I used all those mandalas. And May I Scrap Lift You. This was this a May I Scrap Lift You? Yes? I can't remember at the moment. This has got to glue down better. I think so. Yes, it was. It was. Make sure this stays down. And used up some pink paisley. Haven't used, just kind of dug in my stash. And then another May I Scrap Lift You. And using How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I used, oh no, this was just using Vicki Boutin. Yeah, this I dug in my paper pad, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So yeah, I used a lot of bright, fun things. I really like this page. So that was 1, 2, did I say 18? I don't remember. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That seems small. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Does that count? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, I did not keep track appropriately. So yeah, I actually did scrapbook more than I thought, but I still feel like I didn't get to scrapbook. So that is kind of impressive. So yeah, 27. Did not fill this out appropriately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I only filled out to 18 and I did 27. Shows you what I'm focusing on, right? There. 27. I want to do 365 again this year, you guys. I want to do 365. Okay, that's not as bad as I thought then. I want to get May colored in and June hopefully colored in June. That is the ultimate goal. Okay. Was there anything else I was going to show you? No, I think that was it. So thanks for watching. Yeah, and stay tuned and make sure you go check out the Facebook group if you want to join in the challenge. You do not have to have an Instagram or YouTube channel. That's just if you want to join the hop. But you can do the challenge without either of those, and I highly recommend it. Everybody said it was fun. I hope they weren't lying. I don't think they were. But it was a good brain challenge. So I'm going to try and go live every day this month again, the 1st through the 7th in the group, for doing the challenge and showing you how I'm interpreting the layers or what we're supposed to do. So once again, thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you next time.